The National Mental Health Hotline 988 is down because of an outage. The Health and Human Services Department says their contractor, Intrado, had an issue that started this morning.
They didn't say what the issue is or when it's going to be resolved. The down phone lines give people facing mental health crisis one less way to get help now. Michael Raimondi is following this and has more on the options that folks can still use.
Yeah, so 988 was launched back in July, so there's been a few months now, yeah, pretty recently, to kind of figure stuff out. Of course, this is the first major problem we're really seeing there. So the issue here is that the three-digit number was pretty easy for people to remember, especially compared to when you had the 10-digit number before. And it's really like the mental health equivalent of 911. And a doctor I spoke to hopes it gets back online pretty quickly. Three numbers, 988, can connect someone to a mental health professional in their time of need.
When you are struggling with some kind of mental health crisis and all you want to do is reach out and talk to somebody, having that very short number to remember, like 911, 988, is very helpful in an emergency.
But when it was dialed today, this is what people heard.
The 988 lifeline is currently experiencing a service outage.
That outage shut down the phone lines. People looking for help during a crisis were redirected to other resources. That instant help wasn't there.
It's going to be frustrating if somebody is calling and wants to talk to a live person.
Dr. Kara Christ is the chief medical officer for Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona. She says 988 has been popular since it was launched, so a phone line outage is a problem.
We want people who are having a mental health crisis to have access to the help that they need, and 988 is an important tool for that.
Dr. Chris just hopes this doesn't deter people from seeking the help they want or need. There are other ways to get help.
There's always someone there willing to listen and to offer help.
Now, if you or someone you know needs some help right now, the 988 website has a chat option. You can also text 988 from your phone to talk to someone. Veterans can also call the Veterans Crisis Line. That is 877-267-6030 at the end there. And we have all that information on our website and our news app.
Yeah, good to know there are still options out there. Do we know when this problem is going to be fixed?
No, that's kind of the frustrating part. It started at 8 o'clock this morning, Arizona time. Reached out to the providers there, and they did not even respond. So trying to figure that out, but haven't heard back.
Hopefully soon. Hopefully we'll have an update soon. Michael, thank you.
You got it.